Good morning, everybody. It's Nathan Maloba again here. Now, I wanted to talk to you guys this afternoon. Well, we have a beautiful day ahead, beautiful weekend ahead, and I just wanted to wish you guys a very happy weekend. Go out there, enjoy your weekend with your family, reflect into what you want, reflect into ambitions, reflect into your career, reflect into your business. Because here's the thing: in life, for you to succeed, you have to know what you're looking for. You have to know what exactly that you want. You have to know exactly what you want to achieve. So go ahead and reflect into who you are, reflect into what you want, and enjoy your time with your family. I mean, that's all that matters. We are all working for our families. You are nothing without your family. So make sure that you are in a position where you appreciate your family, because as much as we are making all this money, as much as we are trading the markets, as much as we are managing our businesses, making all the money in the world, we are doing this for our families. At the end of the day, family comes first. So guys, make sure that you have a great weekend ahead. Make sure that you enjoy every moment and you reflect, you refresh, you recalculate, you regroup, you come back on Monday, you make the money, and basically that's how it is, guys. Have a beautiful weekend ahead. And then, by the way, if you want to get access to our robot, you know what you have to do. The link is always down below in the description. So if you want to get hold of our robot, make sure that you click that link down below in the description. You will see everything there: the prices, how to go about purchasing, what do you do after purchasing for you to receive the robot, and all that. So guys, have a great weekend ahead. Cheers.